Hey guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. I'm just today making just sort of like a end of the year kind of a video as an Amazon seller, how I'm ending the year. We're in December and this is what my life is looking right now. There is snow and it's really cold, and it's that kind of time where like you're too cold to work. I've been sick, my kids have been sick, so haven't been able to upload a video, but I just sort of wanted to just make this a quick one for this week, because this is something I promised myself I'm going to be consistent with, whether I'm uploading a tutorial or whether I'm just making a video. I wanted to do it because it's sort of like, when everything else is not working out, then it's something like I've done and it gives me a sense of accomplishment. So yeah, like today's video is just a bit of a sort of a chat about how I'm ending the year as an Amazon seller. This is the first year in a few years that we have crossed £1 million in sale in our business, which is a big milestone. It hasn't happened for a while. So this is really like a big deal, but also you have to think about, like, this is just sales revenue. We are barely profitable. That's the stark reality of the business in this year, that even though we have shown sales growth, we've been able to increase our prices, but that has improved profitability, has maintained the level of sales and increased it too. But with the inflation and going up, and with the kind of year we're having now and going forward into 2023 as well, we're looking to be in recession, and the interest rates are rising. So I think we definitely won't be able to raise prices further, because you can actually see the demand slowing down. This November was the slowest November in past few years. Like, we've not seen anything like this. But funnily enough, Q4 is like a slower time for us in the fashion business. As a fashion Amazon seller, Q4 is slow for us. So we were expecting that, but not as much as it happened, as you can see in the screenshot, like how much sales have dropped. But again, like, we've had a good year, we had a good summer, so can't really complain about that. I wanted to sort of do this end of the year thing, and so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see like a detailed review of how my year was as an Amazon seller in my business. Let me know in the comments below if that would be interesting to you. I would make a video about that, sharing numbers, insights, and what I think of it and what my plan looks like for 2023. I think one thing is for sure, like selling on Amazon is still gonna be happening in 2023 and onwards, because I haven't been able to see similar kind of growth anywhere else in all the other things that I've tried. It's kind of ironic. I mean, you're good at some things, and then on other things you figure out, or you find out that you thought you were good but maybe not so good. Anyway, I was making a PPC tutorial series on Amazon. So the episode 1 and 2 are linked in the cards above and in the description below. You can go watch it, and I will continue making the next few episodes in maybe January, but in December videos you can just expect sort of like laid back content, because it would be easier for me to like share non-technical content, as it's kind of the time like I want to slow down. because for the rest of the year, again, we'll be back at it dealing with stuff, and our season starts around February, so that would be, again, start getting back into things. So take this time to slow down, read the books that you haven't. I have done this like in 2022. I was just thinking back, I bought so many business books and I haven't finished a single one of them, because I started a couple at the same time, and that's how they are. I just sort of like gave up on reading, and so I want to catch up on them, maybe finish at least one in the next a few weeks in the holidays. But yeah, it's a time for reflection and taking a step back, because what else can you do for 2022? It's that time where you want to think like what you want to do next year and what have you achieved in this year, and be grateful for it, and give yourself a pat on the back for surviving. That's what I feel like. We have been able to do quite a few things, not figure out everything, but figure out quite a few things, and that's what I've been sharing on this channel with you guys too. There's a new PPC system that I'm testing out, and I thought I wanted to share about it, but I thought I'll leave it for the next year. So you would be seeing a lot more about that in the upcoming videos. But yeah, I just thought I'll step out the house and enjoy the scenery outside, and maybe I would feel like making a video, and just live in the moment and not stress about how good I can make a video, or because there's only so many things you can do and give it your best. Sometimes you can only give what you have. I think that's all right too. I wanted to stay consistent with my channel, and with this video I can tick that box. I just decided to come inside and complete the video in, because it was just freezing outside and I couldn't hold the phone up anymore. Slightly warmer inside, but yeah, it's time to reflect and really put your thoughts together for what you want to do in the coming months. It's not always easy, because we're always surrounded by so many ideas from the internet, from social media. You could do this to help create more abundance and more money in your life, and work less. But the kind of world we're living in right now, it's everything is taking hard work. Okay, and look at Amazon. They're recently they announced that they're laying off around 10,000 jobs, and I will link this article I came across, that most of those jobs are going in their voice hardware, like the Alexa and Echo products, Echo Dot, and those products. Alexa has been around for 10 years or so, and the product has never made money, and that's astonishing, because there was a huge push around the COVID times that everything is gonna become voice activated, and Alexa is gonna be so important. But it's now it's coming to light that actually the consumers didn't pick up on that product as much as Amazon thought, even though they sold so many of those devices. The consumer it was like a fad, and they never really picked up or used it as such, and Amazon wasn't able to create a regular revenue stream from it, and it's basically a colossal failure, that product. And 10 years in making, so much invested, and that the CEO and Jeff Bezos, they're falling out of love in that product idea, and they want to focus on other things that might help the bottom line of the company. So they're cutting jobs, they're cutting projects, and it doesn't matter if they invested 10 years in it. And I was there's so much to learn from that. Just that one decision, that you try things, you make them, you try your best to make them work, but sometimes they're just not going to work, because the world is not ready for it, or the world doesn't want it. and that thing is not there that you thought would be there. And you know, new sellers, they get like so discouraged so quickly that if the first product didn't work or the second one didn't work or the PPC costs were too high. I mean, I'm learning that myself, that my PPC costs are like atrocious right now. The ACOS is atrocious right now because it's that kind of, you know, season right now, because we're not in peak season. It's going to cost more to stay on, maintain those rankings. So yeah, like, you know, it's that's why like I'm just trying to like, you know, just step back from it so I can take a good overall view, because we have increased the revenue, we have been able to sell the product, we've had a good season. We just need to prepare for the next season, which starts in February. And to prepare for that, you need to take a step back and like really look at things. And obviously I want to do some more, I want to grow this channel as well. So it all needs time to think and plan. So yeah, that's why like I've hopefully come back from this, you know, period of feeling unwell, and hopefully the kids stay well as well, because that takes like so much of your time just looking after them. So yeah, hopefully I will see you guys next time with another video, yeah, please do subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about Amazon, selling on Amazon and Amazon PPC. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.